Hello techies, this is lab 13.2.4 and we are going to manage files and folders. So use the following keyboard shortcuts to navigate through the simulations. You can access the gear symbol in the top CompTIA menu to see a full list of all shortcuts. Alt+1 is to jump to top CompTIA menu. Alt+2 will be to jump to scenario instruction. Alt+3 will be to jump to the lab work area. You are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. The employee using the Office One computer needs your assistance managing files and folders. In this lab, your task is to use the PowerShell commands to complete the following. Alright, so let's see. So we have Alt1 and Alt2. Let's see what we have under here. This lab must be completed from within PowerShell to get a passing score. You can press the up arrow. Okay, so let's start up right away. Command and modify. Okay, so D drive, we're going to D drive, that is D colon, and you press enter, and then you go ahead and type in mkdir then d colon / ut utilities / recover. You press enter, and then we have okay, so we'll go to dir space d colon / utilities. No, I think there's a mistake somewhere. It's supposed to be 1L. Okay, let's type it again. Utilities, then you press enter. And have the file modified on 3rd 2026. So let's go ahead and check answers and see what we're to do next. So go ahead and keep working, and so we're making progress so far. So type in here rmdir space d colon / softwares / ACK98 and space / s, and you press enter. Are you sure? Yes, we're sure. You type in Y to confirm. Okay, so let's check again. Yeah, we're making progress. And for these, we are going to type in AWTRIB and space +H space D colon / S software, then / it's going to be app config.exe, then you press enter, and then they're going to impute a space plus h space d : str.bat, and you press enter. And of course we want to impute, let's see, okay, we're making progress, and let's go ahead and sort out the last task here, and that will be to set the following files to read only. Okay, so let's get started with that. So that is going to be a space plus r space d : and then / software then / softcfg.cfg, and we'll go ahead and press enter, and attrib space plus r space d : software pixel.cfg. So we'll go ahead and press enter, and let's go ahead and check our answers. Alright, everything seems correct. If you find this video to be helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you need further assistance on how to solve any of the tests or lab at all, you might want to join my professional membership or reach out to me via email. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.